Hi everyone. So recently it's been a bit erratic, hasn't it, with the videos and stuff. I commit to 2 videos a week, or I try to do 2 videos a week. But yeah, it just doesn't seem to have gone to plan. I mean, other things have crept in and whatever. Anyway, today I didn't want to do a tutorial or anything like that. Today I just wanted to talk about the channel, really. So if you remember rightly, when I hit maybe 1,000 subscribers and then 2,000, I did like a live stream, didn't I? And then the live stream I wittered on about like thanks for subscribing to the channel. You know, that sort of thing. And then after a while, I think it was after 5,000 or something, I didn't bother to do one again. By the way, this is something from my DC power supply. You plug those into these little banana things, plug them into the DC power supply, and then the other end, it's supposed to be like test leads or something, or a clip or something like that. But over the year or 2 years or whatever it's been, obviously it's been quite weak and it's fallen off, or I've ripped it off or whatever. So I'm just repairing this as I talk, or putting new things on. You can actually choose from various different endings, but I'm going to use these little clips. Anyway, yeah, so the channel, I mean, it has 8,000 subscribers now, so, or over 8,000 from what I remember. Ow. Over 8,000, so I think maybe today it's 8,500 or something like that, and it's growing rapidly, very rapidly. So obviously the channel is working. I must be doing something right, otherwise I wouldn't get so many views and so many subscribers and stuff. So yeah, I'd just like to say thank you. Let me just take this insulation off. Oh, it's not very good, is it? There we go. Ugh, don't know what chemicals on that. Anyway, so yeah, 8,000 subscribers. It's growing fast. I think this month they were plus 500 or something like that. And as you may have noticed, I can't always reply to comments so much anymore because I get so many. Especially from the ESP, is it 8266 or 32? One or the other. And also the RF videos, because I get so many comments and stuff now that it's just ridiculous, really. I just can't do it. Right, okay, I need to put these on here now. Black to black, and red to red. But anyway, I do read all the comments. I do read all the comments. It's just that I can't always reply so much anymore. And there's been a lot of other stuff going on as well in my life other than YouTube. So yeah, let's twist that on there, and then back in there. Let's same for this one. But yeah, I mean, there are a lot of things going on, a lot of different projects and stuff. I just don't seem to have the time. Another thing as well that I've, I was going to say struggling with, I'm not really struggling, but another thing is that it's freezing cold, and in this office right now it's so cold. I've actually bought a gas heater though, a gas heater, and it does work, to be fair, so it's probably not much excuse. Just you know, time and attitude, I suppose, you know, because you've got to come out here and then fiddle about with stuff when your hands are freezing and whatever else. So I guess I've been on a bit, well, I wouldn't say lazy, but less inclined to do videos. See, I've got it right now, my hands are freezing. So yeah. So anyway, what I was thinking is that if you have any ideas or any requests for videos, and I know I've already had a few, just comment and let me know, and I'll see if I can do them for you. Need to heat this steel up. That's it. Is that one done? Looks like it, doesn't it? Oh. Let's see if that's done. Yeah, it's done enough. No need to crush these little things together. These little things grab hold of the wire so that it can't move. I don't know if the camera can see those, but you just crush them in like that. I might actually put. Should I put more solder on? No, I don't think so. That's pretty good. Now this one. So yeah, if you have any ideas or anything you want to see, just let me know. I mean, maybe I won't do it, you know what I mean? But if you ask me, you know, there's more of a chance that I will, I suppose. There's another one done there. But yeah, I still enjoy it. I still love doing this little channel. I know you still like it too. I mean, there's another thing as well is the microphone. I have an issue with the microphone. Quite a lot of you say that the microphone isn't good quality, and you're actually right. But the problem is with it is it's a built-in microphone in the camera, and you can't plug an external one in. Just let me get this. There we go. Yeah. The camera has an internal microphone, and yeah, you can't plug an external one in. Now the PC is different. When I do my coding, that's very different. I use a Samsung, I think it's called C01U microphone. It's very good quality. So when I'm showing you coding, you'll notice the quality of the recording is a lot better. But these types of videos where it's using the camera, you'll see that the quality is not so good. And some of you say it clips or something. No, I'm not sure about that. I've not heard that. I mean, when I do the editing, I look for clipping and stuff. If I hear clipping, I would usually take it out, or re-record. But I think just generally speaking, it's just poor quality, this camera, but the actual visual aspects of the camera are pretty good, I imagine. Anyway, so there's my my newly repaired banana to crocodile clip cables, and they're going to go in my power supply. Maybe I can just pull it over to show you. It's just one of these cheap ones. I say cheap though, they're actually very good. That one's not grabbing in there. Hang on, I know what's going on there. This happens when this gets too tight, so got these little tools. I need to just bring this back out again. And these little things can be pulled out. And it'll grip in tight again. I guess over time these get stuck inwards rather than outwards. Anyway, let's try again. It should go in properly now. Yeah, that's better. Anyway, yeah, so it's been a bit of a strange video, I suppose, just me whittering on about random stuff, but nevertheless, I hope the video wasn't too bad, and thanks for watching. Bye!